Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome back to Learn with Abubakar, the place where we unravel the magic of everyday products. Today, we are diving into a bathroom essential that plays a significant role in our daily routine, and that is shampoo. Introduction to shampoo. Shampoo. It's not just about cleansing your hair, it's about elevating the entire experience. But first things first, what exactly is shampoo? At its core, shampoo is a specially formulated hair care product designed to clean, nourish, and maintain the health of our precious lock. Cleansing and hydration. Now let's talk about the primary purpose. Cleansing. Shampoo contains surfactants that break down and wash away dirt, oil, and product build up from your hair and scalp. But it's not just about cleaning, it's about striking a balance. Shampoo often come with moisturizing agents that ensure your hair doesn't lose its natural oils, leaving you with the locks that are not just clean but also hydrated and vibrant. Scalp health. Your scalp is the foundation of healthy hair, and a good shampoo knows this. Regular use of shampoo helps maintain a clean and healthy scalp environment, preventing issues like dandruff and itching. It's like giving your scalp a spa day, invigorating and revitalizing. Hair strength and shine. But wait, there is more. Shampoo isn't just about cleanliness, it's also about strength and shine. Many shampoos are enriched with vitamins, proteins, and antioxidants that fortify your hair strands, making them stronger and more resistant to damage. The result glossy, shiny, and resilient tresses that turns heads wherever you go. Specialized shampoo. Now let's explore the diverse world of shampoos. Uh, whether you have curly, straight, colored, or treated hair, there's a shampoo tailored just for you. From volumizing formulas to color protecting blends, the options are endless. Embrace the uniqueness of your hair and let your shampoo be your personal hair care ally. Tips and tricks. Before we wrap up, let me share some quick tips. First, adjust your shampoo frequency based on your hair type. While some may benefit from daily washing, others might thrive with less frequent shampooing. Experiment and find what works best for you. Because shampoo is not just for your cleansing, it's good for your hair health, and it is also used for the hair growth of your head. We use it on daily basis for the cleansing and embrace the uniqueness of your hair. Well, that wraps up our deep dive into the world of shampoo. Who knew a simple bottle could hold so much goodness? Remember, your hair is your crown. Treat it with the care it deserves. If you enjoyed this exploration, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And in the next section, we will talk about the benefits of shampoo, and further on, we will also talk about the effects of shampoo and and later on we will also discuss about the manufacturing of shampoo, and I will also tell you about how to make a shampoo at home, because shampoo is our daily life product. We use it daily. So please follow me on this page. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my video. I will teach you on daily basis.